Getting your film distributed, again, there are no set pathways, but it depends how you design your movie. Many people have designed their films to try to fit the standard of acceptable mainstream distribution, and usually they fail. But there's a small number. Eli Roth's first movie, Cabin Fever, was a wonderful film. It got good distribution, and Eli Roth is a major director. He started with Troma. James Gunn, he certainly wants to be part of the mainstream, and he's made movies and written scripts that he believes in and are personal and yet very entertaining. And most recently, Guardians of the Galaxy, he's done it on a $200 million level, and it's a wonderfully personal, funny, emotional masterpiece, and all mainstream. So you don't have to totally sell out to be part of the mainstream. You can do what you believe in. It's just it's aberrant. It's not. There aren't too many people who are working in the mainstream who have long careers. Most of the careers are truncated, cut off at the knees by the bureaucrats and the suits. So I've chosen to go my own way and stagger along as a totally independent auteur filmmaker.